Good morning, Jahan. I am Harshit Kumar
And I am Aishwary
from Sunbeam School, Mughalsar. We are here to tell you about drones. Drones are mainly
Dro-
drones are unmanned aerial vehicles which can fly without any human on board. The popularity of drones are increasing day by day due to their various use. The drones are categorized into six main categories. They are single rotor drone,
fixed wing drone,
multi rotor drone,
quadcopter,
hexacopter.
and a hybrid VTOL drone.
Fixed wing drones and hybrid VTOL drones are look same, but they are different. Hybrid fixed rotor drone cannot has to fixed rotor drone need a runway to take off, but hybrid VTOL drone can take off and land vertically. Drones are used in many ways, like agriculture,
Terrain mapping,
livestock management,
security,
and delivery services. There are five main market leaders in drones in India. They are One Martin Way, Astria Aerospace, Arab Unmanned System, Idea Forge, and Drone Tech Lab. There are five main rules to remember before purchasing a drone. All the drones with camera more than 250 grams weight are need to be registered. No drones with less than 250 grams with camera don't need to be registered. We need a permit to fly our drone. We should have a visual line of sight. We should take care that where our drones are going and what we are monitoring using our drone. We cannot exceed the altitude limit of our drone to 400 feet. Import restriction. We cannot import foreign drones in India. We need to take care of zones to fly drone. There are three zones: green zone, yellow zone, and red zone. In green zone, we don't need any permit to fly our drone. In yellow zone, we need permit. And in red zone also we need permit. We can get the drone license by registering our drone on DGCA website. We will get a unique identification number. We will get a unique identification number. We have to obtain a permit from police department of telecom, and we have to give a practical flight exam with our drone, and then we will receive a pilot certificate and an identification card of our drone and with our license. Thank you.
record by record.